My brother texted me the other day, "Do you think you could make me one of these?" I replied, "I don't see why not." He said, "They want $230 for one." I see that. What would you use it for? Let me give you a little background. My brother just purchased a new bed, and it's set a little higher than the old one. I guess he had not read my last reply. Oh well. Most everything I find is too narrow or not wide enough. So 18 inches is wide enough? Now he replies to my what would you use this for question. Hope you're not lost. It would make it easier for me to get up and out of bed. Oh, okay, a little light bulb went off in my head in my dark little mind. So this could be useful for him. Let's see how much we can build one of these for. And let's compare it to the one that you can purchase off the old interwebs. Let's make this happen because we are loving the real world. Mark once and cut 4 times. Where's the loop on? Using scrap wood from a project that I did for one of my friends. And hopefully my brother won't mind. But anyway, let's get out something that's a little overkill for staples. Put the glasses on, you can't see them. If you can't get them out, you can't see them. There we go. Oh well. Now I know I marked it. I can't remember where I marked it. Gotta love getting old. There it is. There's one. I just barely marked the first one and then I just square off. Guess this top board's just a little bit warped. Well, diggies. Oh love it. Well, we'll go from there. I guess you should always remember to hook up your vacuum to your saw. You won't have such a big mess also. Oh well. Here we go again. You should always use ear protection. And this time I am. Good sharp blades are always good on your planer. Mine doesn't have it. Anyway, maybe one day. I set up a little jig on my drill press to drill dowel holes, and I almost made a mistake, but anyway, let me know in the comments below if you caught it. Basically, this little footstool, it's going to have 6 legs, 4 on the corners and 2 in the middle, and for extra support. Now that we got all the wood cut to length, we can start putting things together. So we're gonna glue the top board together, and we're gonna put some glue on here and make sure we got, well, just a little bit too much. Make sure, yeah, that's just right. Let's make sure we make a good mess right here. But anyway, pick up my dowels off the floor that I cut earlier and insert and try to align the best we can. Oh well, we are gonna get this one day. Okay, and we're gonna just wash, rinse, and repeat until we get this whole platform together. And once it's together, we're gonna drop fit all the wood that we got cut so far. I went ahead and cut the legs, notched them out, and show you that. But anyway, this is just dried fit together. We need to cut down those front add-on piece of the legs, so we'll take it to the table saw and do that next. I thought I had the camera on, but I didn't, while we were screwing, gluing, and fitting this footstool together. But this is what it looks like now. Now on to staining and polyurethane. Once we get this finished, we're done with this project. Alrighty then. Okay, the grand total of the Stool came to $9.42 compared to $229.99. So, which would you prefer? And let me know in the comments below. I hope to hear from you soon. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We always have something new coming on. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.